something and make sure to watch this video at the end, because whatever I'm going to tell you in this video, all the thing will very conscious for you all if you want to become successful in your life. Then so you, me, and just like us, the person who are in catch 22, who are in very miserable condition, we are so fortunate. Yes, if I talk about myself, I am so fortunate, I am so serendipity that I have taken born like in this condition, like in this, like catch 22, in this dilemma, because in another hand I have gotten one opportunity where I can show my talent, where like people can see my talent, and you have forgotten this. You have forgotten your am. You have forgotten who are you. Why I have come here. For what purpose I have come here. So let me tell you. And I will let you say that. Like, why have you forgotten? Why? Have you forgotten anything other things? Have you forgotten your precious things? No. So how you have forgotten your dream? How you have forgotten? Tell me. Means you are not dedicated to do this. Am I right? You are persisting yourself. You are persisting yourself, isn't it? But let me tell you, don't persist yourself. And you are, right now, you are so mighty. Because why you are so mighty? Because you have taken born in this condition, in this dilemma, in these circumstances, because you are so precious for the God, because God has given one opportunity for you to let show your talent at the front of audience, but you are persisting yourself. You are saying, no, I can't do, because I have so many problems. But yeah, I can sympathy so many peoples, they don't understand our situation, our problems. But yeah, I can understand, we have also pity in our heart, but they have not pity for us. But I have told you one thing, and I will repeat again for you, to let you remember your aim, to let you remember who are you, for what purpose you have come, for what purpose you have come in this. You are for what you have come on the earth. So if you want to shine like a sun, first of all learn how to burn like a sun. So like this, right now, if I talk about myself, right now I am burning. So people are not asking like, why are you burning? I am doing arduous work. I am putting extra effort on my study, but anybody is not asking. Because why? Because I am so poor, isn't it? But when I will have touched that success, when I will have my own shine, when I will have my own brightness, when I will be shining just like a sun, in this sky, so at that time all people will be respecting me, all people will be respecting you, because at that time you will have done very massive enormous work. So that's what, yeah, why we have some furry, right? I can understand, because we are putting our extra effort, but somewhere we have also furry, because if I not crack this exam, if I get less number, if I get awful number, so people will be drooling on me. Let them be, because right now they are exasperation. So you have to boost your confidence, and don't let yourself with those people. Don't sit with those people who cannot sympathy your situation, who cannot value your effort, because at the time you will be losing your motivation, your dedication. So don't live with those people, because I have own experience. It was happening with me, but right now I am be motivated. Yesterday my teacher, she motivated me. And if you want to be motivated, if you want to do something, be motivated. How you can be motivated? So like you are the motivation for yourself. You are the motivation for yourself. Go at the front of mirror, see yourself 5 minutes see, and think for what purpose I have come here, what I want to do, what. So at that time your conscience will be saying like, no, you are this, you have to do this, and you have to do anyhow. I don't want to listen any excuse, because this is the symptom of our human being, right? Because we persist ourselves, and we say like whenever someone let us down, whenever someone annoying through us, and whenever people drool on us like, no, she cannot become this, see, like as example, take an example, I want to become a doctor. If I were not become in future, okay, means like imagine if I were not become in future, so people would be laughing on me, okay, so somewhere we have tremble for this, right, isn't it? But don't worry, don't contemplate. If I talk about myself, so like, yeah, 1% I depend on luck, but after this I don't value the luck, because whatever you do, whatever you are doing, you will get in future, that's it. If you want to get fruit, so you have to plant seed, right? Then after some time that will grow in tree, and then that will give you fruits. So that is why if I do any work, then I will get fruit, otherwise I can't. If I want to eat, if I want to feed myself, so I have to do work for that, whatever work is it, right? So that's what I am telling you. Like, you are thinking I belong from very poor family, but no, you are so lucky, I can't inestimable. And like we think, sometimes I think like I do a study, so sometimes I think like only I am doing a study, no one is doing a study. But in this world there are so many people like you who are doing a study 10 hour, 12 hour, at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So if you want to match yourself, so match with those people who have successed full in their life, who have gotten that thing, who have gotten that is that you are searching right now, that you are like, you have dream, you always see dream for that, but they have gotten, see them how they did. So like, you have to think, and I have told you, you have to think so profound, because you will become successful one day. So this was all about today. And if you are feeling something, if you are thinking, yeah, I can do, I have gotten mighty after listening this video, so please give one thumbs up, because I do arduous work to motivate you to learn. You you can learn this English language as well, but you have to not forget why you are learning. Some purpose are there. You want to learn for grab that that job, this job. So
तू विक्रम से प्यार करती है ना, तो फिर इतना ओवरथिंक मत कर यार। देख, हमारे पास सिर्फ 70 घंटे हैं, और इन 70 घंटों में ना अगर तूने अपनी लाइफ की बेस्ट एक्टिंग कर ली, तो विक्रम को तुम्हारा होने से खुदा भी नहीं रोक पाएगा। हाँ।